baseball. We're not playing baseball now. We're gonna show our room. No more games right now, buddy. Balcony. Jaden, you gotta clean this room up, buddy. You gotta clean this room up. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Balcony. Oh, it's bright outside. It's bright outside. Jaden Park down there. I'm gonna put some plants here. Here is the guard check right next to the house. Very quiet little village. Jaden! Jaden! Put the games back. We're not playing games now, buddy. Hey! Hey! Put it back. Put it back. No games. Yes, no games, buddy. Put it back. Put it back, buddy. Come on, we're gonna go to the zoo. Jaden, put it back. Good boy. Good boy. Put it back. Good boy. Okay. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back where you found it. Come on. Yeah. Put it back by the TV. Yeah. No. Jaden. Jaden. Put it here. Right where you found it. We gotta put our games back. We gotta take care of them, okay? Daddy's gonna get some money. We're gonna go downstairs. And we're gonna go to the zoo. We're gonna go to the zoo. Jaden. Jaden.